Welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 21 plate Ford Transit Custom Trail. The van itself is finished in Trail Blue metallic paintwork. As you come in then to the front of the vehicle, with it being the Trail, you get the more off-roady type look. Aftermarket Ford centre grille fitted. Bonnet has been wrapped in matte black to go with obviously the rest of the detailing around the van. Front parking sensors. As we come then down the driver's side, you've got all the plastic wheel arches on this one as well. Rear privacy glass twin side loading door. And then alloys wise, we're riding on these lovely 16-inch gloss black alloys. They're all in lovely order through right front and rear mud flaps. As you then come through to the rear, you've got your rear parking sensors, you've got your trail lettering on the van, and then as you can see from the back here, just the one door on the rear. And if we lift that up, you get plenty of luggage space. A few marks in the back on the bulkhead, plough line through to the rear, but overall in good condition for a van. Coming then down the passenger side again, looking down the vehicle this side, all in lovely order throughout. Passenger side loading door as well, and wheels are all in lovely order as well. Then with it being the Trail, you get the full leather interior on this one, so I'll show you into the rear first. Full leather seats in the back with Artifix, and then all the backs of the seats there are all in lovely order as well. And then specification wise, front electric windows and electric Powerfold mirrors. You've got auto lights on this one as well. Then you've got the lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise and limit control on the voice command. And then as we're doing the video today, the van has only covered 87,550 miles. Heated front seats, your hot and cold climate, and like I said, the overall condition of the front seats, they're all in lovely order as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.